The Vivo X200 series, unveiled last month, and currently China exclusive, will begin its global rollout soon. This revelation comes from Vivo's Malaysian branch, which teased the X200 series on its official Facebook page. The Vivo X200 lineup includes 3 phones: X200, X200 Pro, and X200 Pro Mini. The image shared by Vivo consists of the X200 Pro and what looks like the X200 Pro Mini, since the green color is exclusive to the Mini version in China. However, we haven't heard about the Pro Mini launch outside China, suggesting 2 possibilities. 1. The X200 is getting a green option in global markets. 2. Someone mistakenly included the X200 Pro Mini instead of the X200, since both have similar camera layouts. While Vivo Malaysia hasn't revealed the launch date of the X200 series, we've heard rumors the lineup will debut in India by the end of this month or the beginning of next. We'll have more clarity about that in the coming days. In the meantime, you can read our Vivo X200 Pro review to learn more about it, and after that, you can read our first impressions of the X200 Pro Mini here and here.